Hey everyone! Today, we're peeling back the layers on one of the world's most beloved fruits, the orange. From its sweet tart flavor to its incredible health benefits, we're covering everything you need to know. Let's dive in. Not all oranges are the same. Here are the most popular types: navel, sweet, seedless, perfect for snacking; Valencia, juicy, best for orange juice; blood orange, striking red flesh, slightly tart; clementine, small, sweet, easy to peel. Oranges can be sweet, tart, or tangy, depending on the type. Navels are candy-like, while blood oranges have a berry-like zing. Orange season varies by type. Navels peak in winter, while Valencias ripen in summer. Pro tip: they're sweetest in season. Oranges are vitamin bombs. One orange gives you a day's worth of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants like hesperidin. Beyond immunity, oranges may lower blood pressure, improve skin, and even reduce inflammation. Oranges shine raw, hello, snacks, but cooked? Game changer. Try them in marmalade, salads, or desserts. Oranges work as snacks, desserts, or even savory dishes. Love citrusy treats? Try dark chocolate-dipped oranges. Liked what you saw? Smash that follow and subscribe. We've got more amazing stuff coming your way.